Today we'll talk about how can you disable replace notifications on your Threads app. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. Then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next appear, just click on notifications. So then you come to this list, you just click here on Threads into Replies here. Then you go down here, so then you click here on additional options in system settings. Then you come to next here, click on notification categories. So then you come here to replace, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean replace notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watch.